Hi, my name is Melanie. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today I am here to do an unboxing of the October 2025 Beauty Heroes box. Today is October 10th, so I'm late in doing this. I did see a spoiler that the brand is Ayuna, but the exciting part is I have no idea what kind of product it is, so I am excited to see it. Yeah, I have not loved everything from Ayuna. There's some products I've liked, like the most recent one, I can't think of what the name is, but it's, Velo, I believe, Velo X. That's a nice foundation, but almost with every Ayuna product that I've used over the years from Beauty Heroes, there's been a problem with like the delivery system. I know the eye product would get like clogged in the thing every like 3 pumps or something. And even this Velo, the like SPF, but not really an SPF foundation kind of thing. My part of like the pump thing broke off and I can't use it anymore. Even I think I tried to fix it in different ways, and like there's so much product on the inside that I can't get by the pump. And I just feel like this has been the case with so many of their products. There's been a problem with the delivery system, and that is annoying because this brand is very expensive and high-end, and I have found that to be like a pretty repeat problem. I'd be curious if anyone else feels that way. Anyways, that being said, I am excited to use their product because some of the stuff has been nice. Yeah, it just hasn't been like a huge hit for me, but let's see what's in here. Please click the like button and the subscribe button if you'd like to know when my next videos come out. All right, so let's see here. We have Discover Ayuna, Nectar Lip and Eye, and Cellular Oil. That's cool because I actually didn't know there was 2 products in here. I thought it was only 1, so that's fun. $310 value. Now, when I see Nectar Lip and Eye, I think that's the product that I was just talking about that got stuck in the pump, but I don't know, maybe not. Maybe it's a different eye product, I'm not sure. I feel like Nectar has been around a lot too. So I'm kind of curious if any of these are ones we've already had and they're in a different pump or something. All right, we have the Cellular Oil and the Nectar Lip and Eye. So let's see what it says in here. Okay, it says, so advanced it feels imagined, Ayuna blurs the line between beauty and biotechnology. With each innovation, this minimalist meets molecular brand advances what's possible in green beauty and chemistry, merging cellular science, sensorial elegance, and mindful ritual. This month's discovery is a study in cellular alchemy. Formulas engineered to recalibrate skin's energy and activate renewal from within. Grounded in neurocosmetics and elevated through precision biotech, Ayuna invites you to experience skincare not just as treatment, but as transformation. All right, so we have Nectar Lip and Eye, which is 15 milliliters and $120. I don't know if I mentioned this is a $310 value in this box, so that is quite high. I am going to find out how to open this Nectar Lip and Eye product. All right, so it says Ayuna marks a defining moment in its evolution with the debut of this biotech innovation for the face's most expressive and delicate zones, Nectar Lip and Eye. All right, so it says that it's the debut, so it must not be the Nectar that I'm thinking of. Like, I thought one of the other things was Nectar, but maybe not. Okay. Years in the making, this silky cream serum emulsion merges stem cell peptides, ceramides, and antioxidant-rich astaxanthin in a formula that works with biometric precision. The result is a visible re-densifying and smoothing effect that redefines lip and eye contours without irritation, visibly restoring tone, texture, and elasticity while enhancing firmness, hydration, and long-lasting comfort. This is Ayuna's artistry distilled, setting a new benchmark in intelligent, sensorially exquisite care for the lips and eyes. Some of the featured ingredients are centella stem cell peptides, which are line smoothing and collagen boosting, astaxanthin, 6,000 times more effective than vitamin C, vetiver root extract, lipid restoring and firming, and ceramide 3 NP, barrier supporting hydrating. Okay, I really thought that one of the other products was called Nectar, but maybe not. Okay, I'm gonna turn the thing. My cat is here, Eva. Apparently when I did it that way, it is locked. Let's try unlocking it. Ah, I really had to hear that snapping. I'm like, don't even tell me that there's like something. Okay, there we go. That's what it looks like. So this is lip and eye. It feels like a gel, what they say. Serum, it's cream, silky cream serum emulsion. I'm actually gonna, I don't have any makeup on right now. And it is after 9 o'clock at night. So I'm gonna put it on as my eye cream. It feels nice. It's a nice consistency. Scent is kind of strange. It is not like, I feel like their stuff is usually like flowery or like perfumey, like quite scented. At least some of their products have been. This is like a weird smell. It's like, you know what it kind of smells like? And this is super weird, but my kids have been eating it a lot for breakfast. Grits. Kind of smells like grits. Does anyone else eat grits and think it smells like that? It's such a weird thing. I never thought I would think that, but and I'd have to figure out how to put it. Is it on the lips or around the lips? I'll have to go on Instagram and see. But anyways, the smell is not my favorite. Strange, but the consistency feels nice, so that's cool. I always like a good eye product, and I will be very pleased or curious to see if it continues to work through the pump like it's supposed to for like the time that I'm using it. Okay, next up is the cellular oil. This is 30 milliliters for $190. Skin is energy, and Iuna cellular oil is its power source. This sumptuous serum and oil harnesses the regenerative potential of ancient wild olive stem cells, delivering biomimetic lipids that enhance cellular activity by up to 98% and awaken skin from within. A curated blend of Mediterranean oils, including olive, almond, hazelnut, and grapeseed, fortifies and nourishes the barrier, while Iuna's beautifulness aromacological blend fuses citrus, floral, and resin notes to activate the skin-brain connection, uplifting mood and deepening presence. The result is smoother texture, restored tone, and renewed luminosity. It's conscious care at the cellular level. So the featured ingredients are wild olive stem cell lipids, which are cell-energizing skin function optimization, hazelnut, olive, and sweet almond Mediterranean oils, nourishing skin barrier support, smart humectants, long-lasting hydration, Iuna aromacology blend of Hollywood, chamomile, myrrh, gorgum balsam, advanced mind-skin harmony. Interesting. Okay, let's see about the cellular oil. So it is a serum and oil. These boxes are no joke to open. Okay, I think it's like a dropper. So I want to see what the directions are here. I think the directions, yeah, when you look at the box, there are usually, I think, directions like on the, I hate like, I don't know why, but I hate like pulling off the labels and stuff. Oh, this time there wasn't, oh, the directions are inside. It's like a little packet, okay. I remember these now. They're very detailed. I just want to know how to use it. La la la. Soap, facial high, cellular oil. Yeah. Okay, application. Warm a few drops of cellular oil by rubbing the product between your hands. Take several deep inhalations, then apply the oil by gently pressing your hands on face, neck, and décolleté. May be used with other products or alone. Shake before using. My cat is just, she was doing this during a work conference call recently. And she's just really into this. You want to smell this? Go for it. She says, no thank you to the smell. Okay. She like is going far away. She did not. Oh, here, sorry. Ew, it smells just like the Velo, I think. Same scent. Reminds me of it. It must be the, I bet Velo, if I looked, has like the beautifulness, aromatological formula or whatever. It's very different. It's like incredibly different smelling than the nectar. If I had to pick one, I would definitely choose the smell of the cellular oil. So anyways, it'll be interesting to experiment with this. I'm like, a dropper seems like a liquid dropper seems like a good delivery system. It's an oil, right? So I'm curious. Like I said, I don't know if it's a serum and oil. Okay, so it's a serum. So I should be doing a moisturizer after it, or it said you can just use it alone. So I'll have to, like I said, I like to go onto Instagram and read, you know, all the Little Beauty Heroes posts from the first of the month and the emails they send out where they feature each product and everything. I really like how they have that whole system of like kind of, you know, teaching you about the products like all month. I think that's pretty cool. I don't always have the time or interest in really reading about them and like getting into them, but I really appreciate that. And I tend to have like save them so I can go back to them if, like, let's say I get to a point where after the first month that I use them, like later in the year or then the next year I start using it like consistently and I want to learn more about the product, I can go back to those emails and stuff and these things and like read about them, which is fun and nice. So yes, that is the box for October 2025. We have the Nectar Lip and Eye and the cellular oil from Iuna. So that's cool. I will be very interested to hear what you guys think of Iuna, if you have favorites, if you've experienced any of the same things I have, and what you think about these. So please give the video a thumbs up and click subscribe if you have not already. Again, I have other videos that I want to be doing, particularly my empties video. I literally have in my bedroom like bags of empties right over there, and it's just on my mental to-do list. I just have to make myself prioritize it and get it done. Probably take me like half an hour or so. Then I can also recycle all that stuff, so that would be very nice. So hopefully I'll get that done in October. We'll see. The sickness is starting with the kids, where like somebody gets sick and then a few days later somebody else. So that is so fun, and that's going to go on for the next many months, probably like through May. 5, 6, 7 months. Yay. Okay, love to chat with you in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you are having a great month so far. Thanks for watching. Bye.